In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your lost 12-word recovery phrase in Trust Wallet. This is a crucial step for maintaining access and control over your crypto funds, so let's walk through it together carefully. First, you'll need to start by opening Trust Wallet on your device. Once you have the app open, you'll notice a range of features Trust Wallet provides. These options are prominently displayed on the main screen and include things like sending, receiving, swapping, buying, and selling cryptocurrencies. Each of these features plays an integral role in managing your digital assets within the wallet. To proceed with retrieving your recovery phrase, you'll want to navigate over to the settings area of the application. Look for the icon that resembles a gear or the label Settings. Tapping this will take you to the Settings menu, where you will have further options to fine-tune your wallet interface and preferences. Within this settings menu, your next move is to click on Manage Wallets. Here, you will see a list of all the wallet accounts that you have connected to your Trust Wallet app. It's a great feature for those who handle multiple wallets. Now you'll want to select the account for which you need to retrieve the recovery phrase. It's important to choose correctly, as the recovery phrase is unique to each wallet. After choosing the correct account, you will be given the option to view your secret phrase. This secret recovery phrase is crucial because it is the key to unlocking and regaining access to your wallet if ever you lose your login credentials. After selecting secret phrase, you will be prompted to enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can access this sensitive information. Carefully enter your password to continue. If entered correctly, you will then see an option to click on Verify. Go ahead and click Verify. Upon verification, Trust Wallet will display your recovery phrase. It is essentially a series of 12 words that are randomly generated. These words are your lifeline to accessing your wallet funds and data. Therefore, it is critically important that you copy this phrase accurately and save it securely. Consider storing it in a password-protected document or writing it down and placing it in a safe location where you can access it if needed, but always offline for maximum security. And remember, under no circumstances should you share this recovery phrase with anyone. Sharing it could lead to unauthorized access to your wallet and loss of your funds. And there you have it, a clear and safe way to recover and protect your 12-word recovery phrase in Trust Wallet. Remember to handle these steps with care and stay secure.